All right, Sean and Amanda, KBS Travel, we're back. We're at Excellence Oyster Bay. We're going to be in the Excellence Club Imperial Rooftop Suite with Plunge Pool, 5301. Let's check it out. So you come in, you got a half bath right in the door. So you have to go to the bathroom, boom. They have the Xbox right here, as every room does, for getting room service when you don't want to be bothered, and putting your dirty dishes back in. They won't leave other things there. It's for food and drink stuff only. So right here, we'll go over here to the bath because I want to take you out to the deck. Right here you go into the bedroom area, and you got your great Excellence closets where you walk in, you can pretty much organize almost everything in there. Lots of hanger space. Throw your suitcase right up on there, shelves. Safe. Go through here. Here's another water closet. So it's, is that a third? I don't know. We'll see if that's right. I don't think. Here's just another area of makeup. We'll get you a chair here. There should be probably a chair here. Work area, private area, and more storage. So you got another suitcase, shelves of plenty. I mean, the one thing Excellence has is their closets. They have that mastered. That is a fact. So we go into the bedroom, and you got a great, the big king bed, little shelving area. I'm not real crazy about that. I wish the shelf was up a little higher so your pillows don't, but it works. These signature chairs they're doing in every bedroom, like the grandma and grandpa chair, just to sit and take in the views, which you can see are quite nice. So you got this view from your bedroom. And here's the master bathroom. Soaking jetted tub for two. You got the shower for two. Look at that view. And you might get a little paranoid, think people over there can see you naked. I don't know if they can. I don't think they can. But they might be putting a shade on there, whatever. But double rain shower head, double handheld. And I think eventually I would think they're going to probably tile this. Double sink. Vanity, you get the Bulgari products when you're in the Excellence Club. I'm sorry, I almost said this Diamond thing. In Excellence Club, slipper scale, towels over there. Nice floor.
The floor is really good. It's like the best part of the room. Apart from the view.
Clean, I mean, see, yeah, it's clean, it's nice, it's rich. Plenty of mirrors, look at yourself.
Back over here to the living room area.
And then Imperial, apparently you get cocktail peanuts. Pringles. Remember that when you're in Excellence Club, you get Pringles. So if they're not in the room, call them. Here you got your wet bar, Oreos, M&M's, Snickers, water, Bud Light, Red Stripe, Light, juice, tonic, Coke, Sprite, Diet Coke, liquor, top shelf stuff. Little sitting area for room service if you want to stay inside. Living room area, another TV, workstation, the rocking chair. And then here's the big part of the room is your terrace. It's got a very large terrace in the Imperials.
Got lots of furniture out here to enjoy. With your lounge chairs, you have your canopy bed back here.
So if you're here with a group of people, it's a great room to have as the lead person. Lead person because you can invite people over through your door, through your living room, and not through your bedroom, and you guys can be hanging out on your main terrace. You got the plunge pool, you got the covered canopy, bean bags. Remember, you got room service. So you got room service delivered. It's a great entertaining room. And the out in the sun, which is nice. Again, the afternoon sun. So this is Sean, KBS Travel. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I don't know if you're hearing me, so go in here. It is a breezy peninsula, so you know that there is wind. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Get $25 off your first booking. Whether this is your place or there's something other place, we'll find exactly what fits for you and your honeymoon, your wedding, your family vacation. We do custom California. We do Hawaii and custom Hawaii. Of course, we do the Disneyland, but we do cruises. We do some Western European stuff as well. So give us a call, follow us on Facebook, like us there, and the YouTube and Twitter. Sometimes I go to Twitter, I'm not on Instagram. But we're our personal concierge style travel agents. We're with you from the beginning to the end. Once you pay, we don't drop you off. You get my cell phone, we're with you the whole time. And that's something that comes included with our vacation packages. And you will not find that anywhere, I promise that. We treat you like family. Sean, Amanda, look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.